Crypto.com Crowcoin holders, I have an important price prediction for Crowcoin we got to be talking about. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, I want to start off here over on Twitter. Follow me, 333 Blacksea. I say, anyone still here? Is anyone still here? Smash that like button if you're still here, because it sure feels like you get a little tiny wick to the downside and everyone just goes crawling and crying back home, okay? And I really want to emphasize that I've been trading in this market, in the cryptocurrency market, for about a decade at this point. And it's a tale as old as time, guys. It's crazy that this is the type of sentiment that's happening right now while Bitcoin is still over $100,000, okay? If we wick down to like below 100K, I think that everyone's going to be screaming that we're going to zero, like at this point. But regardless, guys, if you're here right now, pat yourself on the back, because the people that are here right now that are looking for trade entries, that are looking for good spot positions even, are the ones that are going to be rewarded. So let me know in the comments below if you're still here. But looking at Crowcoin right now, we have wicked below 212 after this massive move to the upside, and we're looking at the weekly time frame. We have about 22 hours and 50 minutes left until we see a candle closure. I am very, very curious to see where we close out here. If we close above 212, I'm going to laugh and say, hey, we're probably going to go back to 40 cents sooner rather than later. And if we close below 212, I'm going to say, hey, guys, look for a touch of 15 cents first and foremost. So those are the two key levels that I'm looking at right now. When it comes to trading right now, I need to look at the lower term time frames. On the daily, it just looks like this is just big profit taking. Just slowly, like almost like algorithmically profit taking, okay? That was a hard tongue twister, okay? But it's like algo profit taking right now is what I'm seeing play out here. And I think that there's probably a good chance this does continue to slowly just do this and slowly do this until we tap around this area. So that is a very important area of interest for me, around the 15-cent price level. And if we do come down there, I'm going to be looking for a nice, juicy long position. Yes, I have my spot Crow. Yes, I have my spot Bitcoin. But guys, what do I always say? I am an altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor. And I am looking for some good high leverage scalps here, but I'm going to be sitting on my hands a little bit until we move deeper into Q4, maybe around the end of October, or until we see this price action stabilize a bit. But if you guys do want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. And on Blowfin, we have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus. Guys, take advantage of these awesome links. They help support this channel. And on top of that, there's a lot of lucrative bonuses to be taking advantage of yourself. So check them out. Now, looking at Cronos, we're at rank 23, down 20% the past 7 days, down 3% the past 24 hours. People are kind of just panic selling right now, in my opinion, after we had just like a elongated sell. Like, it's really just like a corrective period after making a massive 400% gain to the upside. We're still at a very healthy 18 cents here, nearly 19 cents, sitting at about a $6.5 billion market cap. Guys, just be patient here. Be patient. Can we go further down? Yeah, definitely. That's possible. You look at the overall market. Bitcoin's below the support level of 110,000, the breakout level that we broke out to go to all-time highs. It's important to pay attention to that. But that being said, all in all here, guys, like we still are moving into Q4, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I believe that Q4 is going to be bullish for altcoins. So I'm just kind of just waiting this out right now. You look at Bitcoin right now on the weekly time frame, it looks a little bearish, but you know, if we hold above 110,000 on the weekly time frame, yeah, it's a little bearish, but it's not the end of the world. Like if we saw something like that, like a W, like that'd be great. And you know, we could come down to 103,000, and we could even come down to 94,000 worst case scenario, and still maintain bullish price structure into Q4. So guys, if you are saying, Blacksea, where's Crowcoin going? Are we going straight to zero? I would say, I would challenge you to be a little bit patient. See where Bitcoin takes us into October and November, and where the stock market is as well. Because I think that really the past couple weeks have been a little bit shifty when it's come to the stock market, but all in all, last week we hit all-time highs in the S&P 500, and whenever the S&P 500 is making new all-time highs, usually Bitcoin is not that far behind it, and usually it just is a game of catch up. And what happens when that happens? Well, altcoins rally with it. But that's all I got, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Check out all those awesome affiliate links down below. Really helps support this channel. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.